How to turn off news and interest on Windows 10. On your desktop, on this side, you can see when you tap on it, news and interest, which covers almost half of your screen and which may be bothering you. To remove it, you just need to follow some steps. Basically, what you need to do is close it and right click on it. Here on news and interest, you can see turn off option. Tap on it and it will be turned off, and you can see the interest and news has been removed from your screen. And to turn it back on, you may just follow the same step and tap on turn off, then you'll get the feature back. So in this way, you can turn off your news and interest on your laptop that may be bothering you. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like and subscribe.